I'm even speechless, because you know a reason that I really wanted to have a sit with you. We only have the glimpses of Banu Thabo Mtika. And obviously, the first thing if xa ndicinga ngoThabo Mtika, it's that man who's passionate. Umntu wencwadi, bookworm, that's what I would call you. And sitting with you now, knowing other things, for me, it's very interesting. So now, ndithi ngamanye amaxesha xa ndikujonga ndivele ndicinga utatakho.
Oh, don't compare me with that one. That's a time.
I want you to take me to a relationship noMadiba, nkosi yam. Very andikaze ndambona utatakho ekwatile ever. Yayingumuntu wayethanda wonke umuntu, and he would recall everybody respectfully. So enesasimpondo ke xa iseyithi uyageza. How was your relationship with utatakho? Tell me about it.
Right. You are aware that every time you are asking a firstborn son, ngotatake, you are bringing emotional instability. You are aware of that, right?
Yeah.
So if I get emotional, do forgive me. And whoever is watching must forgive me.
Don't appear apologetic about that.
The story's been told to me, whether I was conscious or unconscious about the story. But Upodloz, which is my father, so he had 2 sons before me, Baswelek. Understand? So xa kuzalwa mna ndilandela intombazana, ubaba lwabe mdala kunami, kuzalwe mna. Le ndoda ke isebenza apha eRhawutini. Ndizalwe, andibona uba ndizelwe, abuyele eRhawutini. Xa ebuya ndiyagula. He becomes so unsettled. He doesn't know what is happening. He becomes agitated. He leaves everything. He takes me everywhere. Undisa anti aponzalwa khona eMount Elif. It's close to Kokstad and close to Maritzburg. And this Maritzburg, I don't get help. I'm sick. He comes back home. He tells abazali bakhe ba yazi ntoni, ndiyamthatha lo mntana namhlanje. Makafele ezandleni zami. He's going back nami eJoburg. So he's going to find help for me.
How old were you that time?
I was 2. Story's been told. I was 2 years old. Ihamba ke le ndoda nami eGoli nami. So my figure le ndawo nibiza ngamasababa. Kuthiwa kusema-kitchen ke lapha. Like kusema-kitchen. So le ndoda fanele emsebenzini, but he still needs to be a father. Undishare no-aunt wakhe. That time they don't want black people.
Yes.
So the story has been told again. Ukuthi umakhulu wami, whenever she's waking, I'll be locked in a toilet ibiyenzelwe bona as a child.
Ngoba ubasa akayazi ba ulapha.
Akazi ubasa khona umntana olapha. So I'm locked in this small toilet, and then now and then when she's cleaning, she has to go and look after me. Ndihambise kogqirha ke. The only thing that he wanted his son to be alive. So when you talk about my father, you talk about someone who had to give it all and everything for me to be alive. The story has been told again.
Yes.
All right. I'm united with my mother when I'm 6 years old.
So this 4 years, mystery.
I've never met my mom's. He doesn't want to take me back home because he doesn't know what was the reason for the 2 sons to be in the situation. So I met my mother at Kagiso Extension 8, and then I met my other siblings at that point.
Sekukhona
abanye.
So utata uyakushiya apha mane yoshaya.
Teta motata.
Like mane yokwandisa ikhaya.
Ekhaya.
Uye ekhaya yokwandisa ikhaya. Okay.
Stop. So the last point I know about him is this fact. Sisesandile, when sisesandile senza u-A no-B, then kuneSwaneville. Besibaleke inkatha sohlala eKagiso back again.
Okay.
Now sibuyela eSwaneville kuthiwa kune-Peace.
Okay. So uqavile kancinci ngelo xesha.
Ndiyabona ngoku manje ndiyalibona ngaliphumile liyajona.
Okay.
So now we then go eSwaneville. But now the issue was at that point masisibuyela eSwaneville we had to walk besinenteksi eziyi-2 eSwaneville way back. Enyanisa enyabuya so they were betshintshana so endleleni. So
nibhatala malini ke ngelo xesha?
Konge 30 cent I was one of those people who were driving us.
Yes.
And then kokhona umuntu kuthiwa nguLevi.
Ndiyamkhumbula uLevi.
Efaka imat ngelo xesha.
Okay.
So if you have missed Levi's lift ye Fibob.
Okay.
Ebefaka imat so besingena sonke sigena nemat neglue pha kula van yakhe then you'll be taken to eKagiso. So 50 cent. So most of the time we'll find ourselves walking. But there was this one point after Chrizane has died. So we had this situation where they said Inkatha is intending to kill all the boy sons that are not part of the Zulu clan or the Zulu nation. Yo, we had to wear gym dresses. You won't believe this.
Oh my God.
We had to wear gym dresses. But my father could not imagine us wearing our gym dresses. He said,
it was so taboo kaloku.
Like, isikolo. And then we stopped. All of us, we had to stop stop for that moment when they were fighting Inkatha from both sides, from Ekagiso and Elunacent.
Okay. Yeah.
So we had to stop because at that point they were guarding a community, but it was too much for them as well to guard us going to school, no Jabla, no Manunu, and all those kids, Bamampondo, were a block one at that point. So we're in a dilemma, so we had to stop for a year. Until Kulegan was built.
Ndikhumbula yabona ke mna ke ngoku ngona ke ngokulayitayo ke ngoku. Ngona kulayitayo ke mna ke xa uzothi xa kusakiwa eKhulekani. I remember the best moments. uNelson Mandela, Tata uRholihlahla efika ekhululekani. Khawundibekele isithombe because bekusela ufifana kum ndisenenkungu. Tell me about that moment.
Unsuke lundazi.
Wako wena kaloku.
So at that moment when we moved, we transitioned from Umshengo Mdala to what is called
Umshengo Mdala wawuphi wapha ngaseSurichini.
So yabona pha eMnandini
Eke
oDube babe pha. So we had 3 streets all the way eMhlangeni. That was Umshengo Mdala.
Okay.
So ela plaza esikulo li plaza elibizwa ngelika Swanepoel. The owner is Swanepoel. Then it was then converted to Swaneville. So amampondo enza ntoni namaXhosa athi besine entrance ezimbini by then. I-entrance engena ngase-Eskom, i-exit ephumela eAzathville and 2 and 3. Bona babegade Inkatha xa isuka ngaselunacent.
Iphi Lunacent?
ILunacent i-2
and 3 pha phezulu.
But besingenayo le bridge thina. Besinalanda le ibihamba imoto no line oyi-1. So they were expecting them to come this way because bebengeba ujump umhlanga. So bekhona into ekuthiwa ngamadoda. So yayikhulekani.
Okay. When ndiyakhumbula kuthiwa emadodeni.
Hayi, loo nto leyo it has been a misconception for many years. Amadoda was anyone who was able to go out there and fight. Swift Street, yonke indoda was supposed to report there. Sisebancinci sasibahlamba bengqondo. Sibafake
intelesi.
Baqinisa. Against isibhamu, against umkhonto. So bebese Swift Street.
Mm-hmm.
So my house where I stay right now, it was a house. I'm not impinging myself or implicating myself.
Apho sihlala khona ne
bekune double up komnye utata okuthiwa nguSiphayiphai.
Yamazi utata uSiphayiphai. Oh my God.
So bekune passage pha and my house ibiyenziwe i-double story yamapipe ebesuka eSurich.
Okay.
eGreenacre. Underground was the weapons for anyone who comes from MK.
Yebethu nasiphi thina kule Swaneville singazazi izinto.
Ningabantwana nihoyiwe emakhaya nigciniwe. Right.